Hello everyone, welcome to Gradual Learning. I hope you all are good and doing well. We are back with Jolly Phonics video and today we are going to discuss Group 1. If you want to see any other videos related to Jolly Phonics, the links are there in the description. So let's get started. So let's talk about Group 1 of Jolly Phonics. In Jolly Phonics Group 1, you will find 6 phonic sounds of letters S, A, T, I, P, N. How to say it? S. A means A. T means T. E, I. P for P and N for N. So these are the various sounds. Now let's talk about the formation of these letters. We will start with small letters first and side by side we will learn the formation as well. Now let's learn the formation. For the formation we will use for writing part we will be using 4-line notebook, English 4-line notebook. It is easily available in the market. So we will start with the formation. Now there are 4 lines. The top 2 lines are mostly red in color and the middle lines are mostly blue or black in color. The child will write S in small lines in the middle 2 lines, and the child will start from the top line like this and slowly go down, take a curve and join the other line. And while writing, make sure that the child should speak S, 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 not S. It should be the sound, not the letter name. The child already knows the letter name S, but for a nursery student child, just make sure that the child should write like S, 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 and he or she should not use the letter name S. So this way the child will learn how to form S. Now the child has learned the formation of S. We will start with the formation of A, and the sound will be A. So the child will start with a C, or we can say a curve, then go up, come down and a small stroke. This is A. So make a curve in 2 lines, middle 2 lines, go up, come down and stroke. A. Curve, go up, come down, stroke. A. So here in this way the child will learn how to form A or letter A. Please make sure that the letter name is A and the sound is A. The letter name is S and the sound is S. So we have to be very particular about this if we are teaching the Jolly Phonics concepts to our child. Now comes the third sound of group 1, that is T. T. Sound is T. T. So we will start with the top line, that is sometimes also called as mother line. So we'll start with the top red line, standing line, come down, come down, come down to the third line and stop. Then a curve and a small sleeping line over the second line. Again we will follow the same pattern. Start from the top line, come down, standing line, come down and turn. Then a small sleeping line. T. Again, starting from the top, come down to the third line, curve and sleeping line. T. So this is T. Third sound of group 1, T. So we are done with S, A, T. These 3 formations and the sound. In the next video, we will talk about E, P, N, their formation and their sounds.